SevereWeather.com.
Well, happy Wednesday, East Texas. A check of Storm Tracker live Doppler radar this morning showing us quiet conditions in terms of any precipitation out there, but we've got plenty of low clouds from I-20 and points to the south and east there, a sign that we've got that low-level moisture on the increase. We're also tracking a complex of storms developing here across central and southern Oklahoma. You can see that Boeing feature this line is trying to take out, indicating some strong damaging winds. That's why we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Lawton and areas off towards the north heading up towards 40. These are diving to the south and east. I think they will weaken by the time they make their way to East Texas, but a few of these outflow boundaries from these storms could make their way into the area to help spark off a few isolated or scattered showers around mid-morning to early afternoon across the region. We'll keep a close eye on that. The bigger culprit for showers and storms today will be from this upper low that we've been tracking over the Pacific Ocean, now making its way into Southern California. And as we go throughout the next few days, it's going to send off different ripples or waves of energy towards us. And that will give us the chance of severe weather across East Texas both Wednesday, Thursday, and even on Friday as well as we continue to track that. Another ingredient that's going to come together to really help us with the threat of severe weather, we've got plenty of moisture, or this is what we call the storm fuel. Just like your body needs food to kind of keep going throughout the day, you also have moisture with those 60-plus degree dew points creeping in across the state here. That's going to combine with a dry line that's going to set up into West Texas here, separating the very dry air from the very moist air across the area, giving us that enhanced risk of those big storms developing here across west and west central Texas. And then to add to all of that, we're going to have a stalled out frontal boundary that's going to dive into northeast Texas. That's going to really help to enhance all of this and converge it together to create strong to severe thunderstorms across the region this afternoon and this evening. So let's break it down for you, what you can expect hour by hour. Precision Cast showing us the first half of the day mainly starts off dry, just a mix of sun and clouds across the area. But here comes that warm front by the afternoon hours. About 5 o'clock or so, we'll see showers and storms beginning to really break out here across south and southwestern areas of the region. And then we'll watch this warm front lifting to the north through the evening hours. And this is the time where we can see all modes of severe weather. So damaging winds, large hail, even potentially isolated tornadoes as this line of storms makes its way on through the area. And we'll see some scattered convection during the evening hours. And then late tonight, we'll see round 2 coming in as a cluster of storms moves in from the north and west. They will be weakening, but could produce some damaging winds widespread. The enhanced risk of severe weather will creep into the northwestern sections of East Texas with a slight risk across the rest of the area as we progress throughout your day. What that means for us, it means damaging winds and large hail, a pretty high threat across the area, even the potential of isolated tornadoes in that moderate range there, and of course flash flooding for any of those storms that kind of focus in on one particular area. So we'll have to keep a very close eye on that. Of course, today is an official Storm Tracker weather alert day, meaning to stay weather aware, have a severe weather safety plan in place, and know what to do in the event of severe weather making it to your neighborhood, whether that's at work or at school. And of course, your 7-day forecast. We're not done with the severe weather after today. We've got another round on Thursday, and yet another round on Friday. We get a break for the weekend, but maybe another round by Monday as well. So very active after a quiet start to severe weather season.
All right. Keep it right here and charge up those cell phones and tablets.
Yes, yes. And we'll, of course, keep you updated throughout the day.
Thank you, Cedric.